Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fill up your hunger bar faster. So obviously you can just, for instance, collect meat and put it in the bonfire here and eat that. But it only fills up a little bit. You do need to go through a few levels of the crafting table to craft this, but if you go to craft item, you'll see on crafting bench 3, oh, I can't show you right now. There will be a crock pot, which you can hold on, let me show you guys. Hopefully when I craft the level 2 crafting table, I'm able to show you. I'm just gonna put it in here. Oh my gosh, the campfire is almost out. You know what? I'm not gonna show you guys, but you'll see the crockpot, and basically you will need 3 meats, any type of meat, bunny, wolf, steak, fish, it could work. You're going to place it in there, and then it's going to basically create a stew, and that stew will fill up your hunger level faster. So you are going to want to do that. So yeah, that is how you can fill up your hunger bar a little bit faster. Again, I don't have, let me see if I can find a screw real quick here. Usually finding screws, you'll need metal. There we go, I found one. Actually, I found 2. So you'll need to place the scrap in the grinder over here. Craft item, let me craft bench 2. Here, as you can see, there's crockpot. You will need 10 scrap metals. Well, you don't need 10 scrap metals. You'll need 10 of the bolt and 15 wood, so you can make the crockpot. And that's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.